That, I think that plane flies better with no wind. I think that plane flies better with no wind. Wow. And there's zero bleed.
No, there is no bleed at all.
Nice.
Landing flaps. Takeoff flaps.
Good thing I looked, I'd have run right into you.
That would suck. Have you seen that video on like the European flying people that like one guy landed an A-10 and the A-10 hit the other guy flying the other one and the guy crashed?
Oh no.
I'm gonna go slow high off over you.
Okay, so we can probably take off and get into formation right away. Go ahead. Come by slow, and then as soon as you're close, then I'll punch it and go.
Punch it now.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Oh my god, that looks so cool. Oh my god, those fiery booties!
Oh, times 3.
These actually fly good together.
Yeah, I told you, because this one's doesn't have to go fast.
They actually look like together in the end. You just need light.
I don't know if I could do it on this one. I'd have to get the FMS module.
Yeah. Alright, punch it full throttle for the burner.
That thing's got some power.
Time
Oh god, I
remaining
can't see
3
it.
minutes.
This thing has
Yeah.
power? There's no bleed on it. So it looks like
None.
These things are freaking bright. And this color, I can actually see it.
Yeah.
It's like that blue, baby blue color. I'm just kind of doing slow stuff.
That's fine. I'm clearing out so I can see where you are.
Look at the cloud, it looks so cool. That was cool. Too bad you're not going to upload these videos for a while.
That's alright.
2 minutes.
When I do, it'll be worth it. When we can laugh about Corona. That was close.
Alright, I'm going to come in.
Go ahead. I'll escort you.
My timer just told me 20 seconds. I'm like, oh shit.
Yeah, because you took off before I did.
Landing flaps.
That's a proper escort right there, baby.
Flaps up.
Wrong Air Force, but it's there.
That's why I was escorting you down. Make sure you land.
Time remaining.
Get out of the
1
U.S.
minute.
airspace.
I'm still in the U.S.
You defector.
I'm still in the U.S.
Alright, let's get down. And I'll fly the 22.
I'm going to fly the Su-30 again right now. And I may fly the 22. I'm done with this thing. I got to pull the wings up.
That was a cool escort.
Yeah, that was cool.
Right to the star.
30
Almost.
seconds. Gear down. Landing flaps. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired. Flaps up.
Woo!
Wasn't even watching, but I knew it was
That's it.